Hello, today I'm going to be frying pork. Let's get started. For this recipe, we need pork, oil, the egg yolks, flour, salt, and pepper. First, you have to beat the pork to make it thin, so then it'll be easy to fry and it'll be like easier to bite. Look how thin it is. Heat the oil lightly so like it will already be ready when it's time to fry. Before you're going to fry, you have to dip them in flour and then into the egg and the flour again. And then you will put it on the pan to fry. When the pork turns golden brown on the side it's frying, you can flip it over for the other side to fry. When both of the sides turn golden brown, you can put it on a separate plate or bowl. Oh, they look amazing. The bread's like so crunchy, and when you get to the middle, the bread's like kind of tough, but like in the middle of the meat, like that's tough. It's like so soft. That's it makes like a good blend. It's like soft and hard, and it crunches a lot. Thanks for watching.